Everybody, welcome back. Dr. Blumenthal back with you, Natural Transplants. We're here in the Bethesda office, and we are psyched. Today we have special guest Wade with us. Wade, welcome, man.
Thank you.
I appreciate you doing this for everybody. Thank you. Hopefully this inspires somebody out there, and I know it helped you when you were looking around. But tell us why you're here and what we're doing for you today.
Okay. So I have some areas that I needed to need some attention. And yeah.
A little bit of recession of the hairline on the corners, especially.
Yeah. So I was hoping you'd be able to help me with that.
Yeah, man. Well, absolutely. Hopefully we stop wearing the hats and let you have more freedom, and you don't have to put a hat on every time you leave the house, right? Yeah, that's the big problem. So I'm gonna have Saul move in a little bit. And as you said, the hairline kind of has come up a little, especially in the corners. So we're gonna drop it again. We don't want to be super aggressive and drop it too close to your eyebrows, as we talked about, but maybe a finger or so. And then we're gonna build out the temples just a little bit to give a little bit more pop to it and strengthen it as they're fading some. And that was something that Wade wanted to do as well. So we're gonna draw it out, do a little bit of shaving, and then we'll check in with you in a little bit. Sound good?
Sounds good.
Awesome, man. All right, we are back with Wade, and as you can tell, we shaved Wade's head. You don't have to do that, but in his case, it looked better that way, so we shaved it. We worked hard on the line. I think I'm happy with it. You're happy with it. Brought the temples in a little bit. I think it looks strong. I think it's really good. Got a couple volume on board. You feeling all right?
Feeling all right.
Cool. All right, we're gonna head next door. We're gonna start, and we'll catch up with you a little later. Sounds good. Awesome. All right, we are back. Wade, what's going on, man? You doing all right?
Doing good.
All right, we are heading towards the end. Final stretches here, probably another 15, 20 minutes or so. Had a little bit of lunch. Got a good strip. Placed all the holes. Now the techs are placing the grafts in there. You have any pain at the moment?
No.
No? Awesome. All right, man. Things are looking good. We'll catch you at the very end, all right? All right, sounds good. We are back. Wade, you did it. Congratulations, man. So we are finished. Good day today. How'd it go?
It's not that bad at all.
Yeah? You said actually it wasn't that bad after it. Yeah.
No.
Good. Most people say that, but it's hard to convince them that ahead of time. But I'm super happy with the way it went. I'm going to have Saul zoom in, just put your head straight for me. And I'm really happy with the line. The temples look great. I love it. Looks awesome. So, we talked about staying calm today, and next 2 days or so just really chilling out. I'll call you tomorrow. Congratulations, man. Again, appreciate you doing this. Welcome to the family. Hopefully we'll see as the year goes on, we'll kind of keep tabs on you. Hopefully a year from now we'll marvel at the new you. Sound good?
Sounds good.
Awesome, man. Take care. I'll try, like I said, I'll talk to you tomorrow, okay?
Okay.
All right, bye. Good seeing you.
All right.
All right.
Take the first step to better hair. Visit us at naturaltransplants.com.